Good morning, welcome to ESL classes. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you a great tip how to engrave the crazy words of English language. Because yeah, I term it as crazy because many of the words sounds very difficult and it's next to impossible to pronounce them well. So the first difficulty is pronunciation and the second difficulty is to engrave those words into your memory. That is more difficult task. So most of the time I am asked this question that how can we memorize, how can we engrave or ingrain the bombastic word of English language. I always suggest them to repeat it with a interval of time. Memorizing and repetition, they are two method of ingraining the words, but today I am going to give you one another psychological way and term how to uh, engrave the words, crazy words in your life, and how to assimilate them through your speech. Meet me just after this short break.
Do you want to learn English? Subscribe to ESL classes.
Today I'll teach you how to ingrain the words through a very psychological technique that is called spacing. Your mind memorizes certain amount of information more effectively if you expose to that information times and again. It may be some words, it may be a video, it may be a podcast. By reviewing, by doing it again and again. So this is what the spacing system means. Spacing is just like an active recall with a certain interval of time. For example, if you are learning a new word like grotesque, grotesque is synonym for hideous, for ugly. So obviously it is a very bombastic word, no doubt. So if you see the word for the first time, you will never be able to memorize it, and even if you memorize it, you will forget it. So what you need to do, I think that spacing is more powerful, more effective than cramming. So what you need to do, you write this word, you see it today, and just after 1 week again you have a look on this word. So you can make a list of all these bombastic words and you can revise it with increasing interval of time. Like if you have written 5 words, you have seen it today, then just after 4 days again you have a look on the same words, then after a week, after a month, then after 3 months. This is the increasing interval of time. If you are exposing yourself to the same information with a certain interval of time, it goes into your subconscious mind, and in this way you can ingrain it, you can engrave it, and this becomes unforgettable. Today I'm going to recommend you a few apps which are really going to help you. The first is Anki and the second is Catalyst. So these two applications are just space repetition system. They are the part of space repetition system. They are just going to remind you the words with the increasing interval of time. It has a set interval of time. It's going to remind you times and again, and in this way these words become the part of your life. So I think that you can try it, and this is going to be effective for you, as I have also applied this. I learned many words through this system, and I think it will be equally useful for you. So hope you have understood my point and you are just going to use Anki and Catalyst. And the application like Anki and Catalyst also reminds you the same words with the help of quiz and with the help of word games. So thanks for watching this video till end, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go for it and hit a like button if you think that whatever I have said, it's going to be helpful for you. Thanks a lot for watching this video till end.